Hello friends, welcome back to my channel again, but not into the kitchen today. Today we decided to go for a drive after the lockdown has been released and things getting back to normal somewhat. We are going with proper precautions like the gloves and the mask. Driving through the Dubai airport area, it was really a sad sight to see all the flights being parked and somewhat grounded. Actually waiting for the right moment to things getting back to normal throughout the world. Since this video has been taken a few days back, so now recently some of the flights have been started. Dubai is all about life, traffic, speed, shopping, and that was missing. The Dubai ki bhagdor, the Dubai ki jaan, it was missing. Since it's a weekend, most of the shops were closed. Otherwise, shops and malls have been started. Restaurants have also been opened with proper hygiene. We didn't want to eat anything outside just for precaution's sake, so we didn't enter any restaurant. We just had to go for a drive. It all seemed so calm and quiet. Nothing seemed the same. Yet it was lovely to see all these buildings, sites, everything. Drive to the Atlantis Road is my favorite, especially in the evenings. Love the sunset here. But still things are not normal as it seems. This area reminds me of Mumbai. People from Mumbai might feel the same after looking at this. And here comes the famous Atlantis Hotel. Since tourism and traveling is stopped for the moment, but still everything from outside seemed so well maintained. The lovely sunset, it was really relaxing to come out and breathe the air here. Although it's summer and too hot and humid, yet after being home for months, it gives a refreshing feel. Just love this place. Going back home, it was a lovely drive to rejuvenate myself, to get back to home. Nothing seemed the same, but still, maza to aaya. Hope you all liked it too. The short drive after the lockdown. Flights still waiting for the right moment and life to get back to normal. Ending this vlog with a prayer that soon everything gets back to normal and we get our normal life back. I hope you all liked it. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye. Stay blessed.